Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money on your PayPal business account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So just a quick reminder, in case you haven't linked a bank account to your PayPal account, then you'll not be able to withdraw. If you don't know how to link a bank account to your PayPal account, then you can simply check out my videos. I will leave the link on my description box below. So once you're logged into your account, next tap on transfer, and once you transfer, next page you have these kind of interface. Right over here you need to select the bank account. So once you're done selecting a bank account, tap on next. After you're done selecting the bank account, on the other interface you need to enter the transfer amount to withdraw. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on next. And then on the last interface, you'll have to make sure that all the provided information is correct. And once you're done, tap on transfer now, which is right at the bottom. So then on the last interface, you'll also be notified that the transfer is completed. So that is how simple it is to withdraw money on your PayPal business account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.